Hello, Papa World. I am Mother Sandra from Face to Face. I can showcase my talent and entertain all the viewers. Please, dim. Hello, Raymich. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they meet again in heavenly for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love until fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Thank you.